My dear students, in this question it is given that a particle is projected vertically upwards from the surface of earth. Here it is given that consider this is earth, here is center of earth, radius of earth is given by RE. From the surface of earth a particle is projected with initial velocity v given by 1/4 of escape velocity. So this is equal to 1/4 of escape velocity, and escape velocity is given by under root 2 gm by r. On earth's surface escape velocity will be given by 1/4 under root 2 gm by re. We know if particle moves upwards its speed decreases, and at the highest point speed becomes 0. We have to find out maximum possible height achieved by particle above the surface of earth. We have to calculate the value of h. Suppose mass of the particle is small m, we will use energy conservation from initial point to final point between these 2 points. This will be initial point and we will consider this as final point. According to energy conservation, initial kinetic energy plus initial potential energy equal to final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. Initial kinetic energy will be given by half m into v square. This will be half into m into v square plus initial potential energy minus, this will be minus g m1 into m2 upon. On earth's surface this distance is radius r, re. So on earth's surface initial potential energy will be minus g m1 m2 by re, where capital M is mass of earth. This will be equal to, at the highest point final speed is 0, that means final kinetic energy is 0, and here potential energy will be minus g m1 into m2 upon distance of particle from surface of earth. So this will be h plus re, h plus re. Put the value of v here, we get half m into v square. Square of this value, square of 1/4 will be 1/16, and square of this will be, remove the under root from here, 2 gm by re into 2 g m by re. This is the value of half m into v square minus g m upon re equal to minus g m upon re plus h. We have to solve this equation. Here gmm, this gets cancelled. We get 2. We get 1/16 re minus 1 by re equal to minus 1 upon re plus h. 1/16 re minus 1 by re. This will be minus 15 upon 16 re equal to minus 1 upon re plus h. On solving this we get 15/16 re, 15/16 re equal to 1 upon re plus h. Multiply this by this and this by this, we get re plus h into 15 equal to 16 re. On solving this equation, we get value of h as re by 15. Height h will be equal to re by 15. This value is given in option 3, hence final answer is 3. Thank you.